Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we are unboxing Huckberry's Flint & Tinder Unlined Wax Trucker Jacket. I previously unboxed and reviewed the flannel-lined version of the Wax Trucker Jacket, which was made popular by the hit TV show Last of Us, where the main character wore that jacket. But now today we are unboxing the unlined version of this jacket and we'll see what are some of the similarities and differences. Be sure to watch to the very end as I will put this jacket on body, show you guys what it looks like every day on body. If you guys do want to purchase this jacket, be sure to use the link down below in the description as it's going to help me out a ton and I'm going to really appreciate it. And if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and leave that thumbs up. Thank you so much, and without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. Alright. So this is very similar to the flannel-lined Wax Trucker Jacket, but it's just unlined. Ooh, let's see. Unlined Wax Trucker Jacket is very similar to the flannel-lined, however there aren't as many colors of the unlined version. You do remember the flannel-lined Wax Trucker Jacket has a lot of different colors. However, the unlined only has 3 different colors. Comes in Havana, Forest, and Field 10. And the color I got here is Havana. Let's go ahead and open it up. Look at that. Upon first opening it and touching it, gotta say, it does feel really waxy, which is really good because the wax material really repels the water, which I really like. And upon first touching it, it is a lot thinner than the flannel-lined version, which is good for right now, the season, as we're in summer, it's still hot, and you still want to wear a really cool jacket. But the flannel-lined version of it is just too hot. It's going to be sweaty as you wear it. This is very nice for these moments this season where it's still summer but gets a little cool in the mornings, a little chilly in the evenings, but you still want to look cool, and that's where the unlined version of the Wax Trucker Jacket comes in, which I like. A lot thinner, not going to be as hot. I really do like the buttons. The buttons are the custom Flint & Tinder buttons, really nice. And upon first look, some of the differences I can tell is that the unlined version has 2 breast pockets, whereas the flannel version only has 1 pocket. It's nice to have 2 breast pockets. Don't know if I'll ever use them, but for style purposes, it looks nice to have 2 breast pockets. And it has 2 side pockets, which is the same as the flannel lined version. Another difference that I can tell right away is there is a zigzag print down here where the buttons are, where the flannel lined version does not have. With the flannel lined version, the inside of course is flannel lined, has a nice cool pattern and design. Let's go ahead and see what the inside of the unlined version is. Alright, nothing. There's no lining on the inside, as the name says, unlined, but still does have this media pocket, which I really like. On the inside here, doesn't say anything, whereas the flannel line version says made in the USA, media pocket, says a lot of different things, but looks like there are 2 inside pockets in here, which is really nice. There's a big inside pocket, which looks like you can actually fit an iPad, and you have a media pocket, which you could fit a cell phone. But this inside pocket is pretty nice. It's pretty big and spacious. Look at that. We have a switch here. We can even put that in. Whoa, look at that. You put a full switch inside this pocket. That's pretty nice. Oh, there's another big inside pocket, which I really like as well. I really like that there are 2 inside pockets and they're both big pockets where you can fit a switch in. Where the left one has a media pocket on top of the big pocket, which is nice. So in total, there are 7 pockets. 2 on the chest, 2 on the side, 3 on the inside, which is super nice. I wish there was a little bit more design, even though it's unlined, a little design or saying the media pocket, a little bit something on the inside would have been nice, but it's still a great jacket. Should I go ahead and put it on? You guys ready? All right, let's go ahead and put this jacket on. How does it look, guys? Upon first wearing this jacket, I gotta say I really like it. I really like the wax material. It's made out of a 7-ounce Martexan wax sailcloth from New Jersey, and this jacket is indeed made in the USA. So I really like it, and it fits me really well. Sizing is always an issue with jackets for me. I always want to make sure I get a jacket that fits me well, that's not too tight, that's not uncomfortable. I want a jacket that I want to wear. If you get a jacket that's not comfortable, you're just gonna put it in your closet and not gonna wear it. So comfortability is definitely really important. Mobility, I'm able to move my hands and arms is also very important. I am 5'8", 180 pounds. I got the size large, and it looks like it fits me perfectly well. I've got the Havana color here, just because I don't have the Havana color in either the flannel line version. So I want to get something a little bit different, mix it up, you know? And I think I really like this color. It's pretty nice, easy to match, easy to dress up. This jacket goes well with a lot of different outfits. Like I said, I really like this inside pocket where I'm able to put my cell phone in, the media pocket just like that. Really nice. And you got the bigger pocket to put your Switch in if you ever need to, right? Look at that. You don't even know it's there. Overall, I'm very happy with this jacket. I really like the Unlined version, especially in the more warmer seasons such as summer. I am still able to wear this and look cool because I really like the flannel line, but wearing it in summer, whew, you're gonna be sweating a lot, all right? So this is a nice jacket where I could wear all season. When it gets colder, I could wear the flannel version. Now it's warmer, I could wear the Unlined version. Pretty cool to have that option. But let's go ahead and go outside and let me show you guys what it looks like on body outside with a proper outfit. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-body look of the Unlined Wax Trucker Jacket by Flint & Tinder. Overall, I am very happy of this jacket. I really like that there's a little subtle differences than the flannel line, such as the 2 pockets, that there's a zigzag print. The inside's also a little bit different with the inside pockets. I love how it's not an identical jacket to the flannel line. They just took the lining out, but there are still some subtle differences. So that's one thing I really like about it. I also like that it's not that bad in price, $228, and it looks really cool. So if you guys are looking to pick up this Unlined Wax Trucker Jacket for the warmer summer season, be sure to use my link down below, and I would really appreciate it. But that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.